to my channel. Yes, I'm speaking in my beautiful upbeat voice today because Adrian is awake, so I can be free. Happy Valentine's Day, my loves. Happy Valentine's Day, yet another year. Oh my God, 2019 is going super duper fast, and I thought, why don't I give you guys a Valentine's makeup tutorial? Why not? Be sexy, be bold. And we are using the Makeup Shayla times ColourPop palette that came out last year. You guys wanted me to do this. I didn't have the time. I was busy pushing out a baby, but here I am, and with the palette, and we're gonna go full throttle. So what do we have up in here? We have 16 beautiful colors. We have a mirror right here, which I'm going to cover, and I like the fact that she's got, Makeup Shayla has the names on the back of the packaging that it came in. She has it underneath the shades, and she has it also in the back. The shades are all small, but I mean, really, when you think about it, how often do you hit pan? I hit pan on some palettes, you know, the black. I'm not going to mention it because you guys know it, and this is all about Shayla and ColourPop. But I'm really interested and intrigued with this because I thought to myself, why not? That's just what my life is in 2019. Adrian makes it so. So these are the colors right here. I'm going to swatch a couple. I love this blue right here. I'm going to switch it over here. So it's like an indigo blue. Look at how gorgeous that is. And then I'm going to try another bright blue here, but we've done so many blues in the past. Ooh, that's fabulous. All right, then we're going to do September. She's got beautiful names here. Every time when I think of a Makeup Shayla palette, I think of Titus. Titus, her dog, that we all fell in love with, and he passed away, unfortunately. But now she's got a boyfriend, and he's just as adorable because I follow her and I see her on her Insta stories. We also have Thic. I don't think that applies to her anymore. She's losing so much weight and she's looking gorgeous. And that's like a rusty orange. And then she has Revenge. The best form of revenge for me, success. Be quiet, do your thing, keep on trucking. Yes, darlings. And then we've got another one, Played Out. Some things are just played out. You know, what can I tell you? So that's like a deep brown right there. And then let me do Strut'n Slay, because that is her traditional, what should I say, trademark? Yeah. She says it at the end of her videos, and we put it right here. It's her slogan. Oh, that's correcting me. Her slogan, and we'll put it right there. So look at it. Let me bring it forward. There you go. The colors are interesting. This one right here, Played Out, it skips. I did that with the other palette, which was the Isle of Sahari times ColourPop. If I'm rubbing it in, it's kind of sort of okay. Yeah, it kind of sort of works. And then she's got some olive greens right here, and it's called L-I-E. Oh, let me tell you some of the names. So she's got Titus. Titus is the gray up here. Okay, let me swatch it. I had to because of Titus. That's nice. That's nice. Grace can work. Grace can work. Yeah. So she has Titus. She has Stallion. She has Unbothered. I love that. Adrian is so unbothered. He's so chill like his dad. It's amazing. Spill the Tea. Strut'n Slay. Revenge. Thic. Played Out. Shade September. Sassy Culture. 14. IE. Diva. And TF. Maybe Tom Ford, I don't know. You know, so those are the names. I think very creative, and I'm sure they have a meaning for each one. And yeah, you can find this palette on the ColourPop website. That was where I got it. I ordered it. This is not a sponsored video, and it came in a timely fashion to my address. This is the look that I came up with. We're going to go into the tutorial. It is a talk through. And when I say talk through, it's a talk through with Adrian talking through. It's a family business. But you guys already know. What am I supposed to do? I don't have a nanny, and I'm thinking, should I get a nanny? Not sure. So yeah, so that's the palette, my loves. It is on ColourPop website. It might be on sale. And let me show you how I came up with this look for Valentine's Day. You know, serious stuff right up in here. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye. All right, my loves. So we're going to take the Shayla times ColourPop Perception palette. Good for you, girl. Very proud of you. And we are going in with Thic. And that's a lovely orangey color. And I'm going to put that in as my first transition. And we're gonna go in, yeah? And I'm just going to punch it in right there, just above my crease. Yep, loving the color. I love this color. It's mimicking like a red and yet it's an orange. Then I am going to go in with this color, and this one is called Revenge. I'm going to just deepen it. Yes, give it a little bit of depth. And I'm going to keep it on the outside. I will say this, there is not much fallout, surprisingly. There's not much fallout with this. And I think I'm going to deepen it even more. So I'm going to go in with this color right here. And this one is called Played Out. I'm going to use Played Out. Yeah. And I'm just going to keep this. Yes, that's nice. You see, it's giving me the love. Because I need to I need like a dark color just to cut that and give it some kind of personality. And this one has fallout, as you can see. But I don't mind. I can always brush that off. So I'm just going to go in and just put that right through into the crease right there. And this is a lovely, lovely chocolate brown. It works. As a matter of fact, before I continue, let's make sure that the damage is minimal. So let me just put some loose powder right there. That's it. Adrian is playing with Ula. So that's what he's doing, because some of you might be wondering, what is he doing? He's playing with Ula. Ula and him are taking some time together. Yes, my loves. So that's it. So I'm just going to put in the time out, and I'm just giving it like an outer V, and I'm just bringing it forward a bit. I just want it more into the outer V. There you go. See? So it gives off that personality. That's all that I want. Voila. Then she has a burgundy color at the very end, and this one is called Shade. Girl is giving me shade. It's a glitter burgundy. See, quite cute. Quite cute. Makeup Shayla. We love. Do we love? We love. I love. I love. I love. I love. Yeah, it works. Yes, just on the outer V. Give it some glamour loops. Voila. Yeah. Then we're going to take a flat brush, and I am going to go for this September right here. And it's like a blue pink. It's very, very cute. And I'm just going to cut into that. So what am I going to do? Let me give it a little cut crease first. And I'm just going to carve out half of my eye so that I can put in the September color. So I'm not going to take a brush. This is from Juvia's Place. You guys know my discount code FUMI. I'm going to put it in the link below. And they've got the most amazing brushes. Okay. So here we go. Precision is key. And we go above the crease. And that's all I need. Yeah. And do a half right there. So I've gotten the flat brush, and we're putting in September, and we're gonna press that all over the lid. It is such a gorgeous color, and the application is super, 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 super easy. Just look, and that is it. Ah, gorgeous. Gorgeous shimmer. And this is so cute for Valentine's Day, I think. This puts a spin on it, and it's kind of sexy. I do like it. And then you just use your flat brush. This is why I like using flat brushes, because the excess of that shimmer, you can just press on the side, and there you go. You know, so it all just kind of sort of blends in. Don't have to go back into the pan. Just use what is left on the brush. And that's all you got, and that's all you need. There's this color called Strut'n Slay, and that is so makeup Shayla. When she finishes her videos, at the end she'll say Strut'n Slay. So there we have it right here, and it's a rose goldy. I like that. So we're keeping with the Valentine theme with rose and pinks, you know, but not the traditional, you know. And I'm just going to, oh, I love it. I love it. Oh yes, just look at that. It's everything. It is everything. Just gonna pop that right in the center and just let that layer on top of September. I am going to use this Strut'n Slay as a brow bone highlight. I do love this. Yes. And then I'm just going to Put that in there, right there, and let it just sit. And then what I do is that I take yet another brush and I just brush that on each side so that it's not, you know, too much. Just that boom right there. There we go. I love this. I really like the shade. I think I want to put the shade underneath. So what I want to do is that I think I'm gonna put the orange first. I'm gonna put Thic first, and then I'm gonna put shade. Okay, so let me put in some orange underneath just to warm up the eye. Yeah, I love this. So I'm going to take an angled brush here and I'm just going to tighten that up. Yeah. Voila, that is what I love. Yes, that looks good to me. And then I'm going to take the Urban Decay eye pencil, and this is called Alkaline. So that's like a deep burgundy, and this is going to work for the look. Yes. And you know what I do with my eye pencil? I graze it against the lashes. The color really pops off. See? All right, guys, so you know what I'm gonna do, and you guys know it. I'm gonna put on my Bad Girl Bank mascara, and I'm gonna put on some lashes, and we are going to use the Tatty lashes. This is a bit messy, sorry guys. And I will be right back. Okay, and then we'll continue with the rest of the face. Yes, darling, stop it. All right, darling, so we're done with the eyes. These are the lashes. And we're gonna go now into blusher. This is by Juvia's Place and it's called Bella. It's got its own little cute mirror. So I'm gonna take a blusher brush, Juvia's Place, of course. I'm gonna turn it upside down so you guys can see the color. I'm gonna swirl, 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 swoosh, swoosh, swoosh. And I'm just gonna put it right on the high tops of my cheekbone. I always go to my temples. I've been doing it forever because I've got high cheekbones and it just kind of balances out, and I love it how it just encases around the eye. I always like to have it with the same kind of color story. It works for me, and that way I can always use like a super duper nude lip. All right, so we go in this way. Bum bum bum. Yes, darlings. Voila, I like this a lot. And I was speeding with this one because you know I've got the baby in the back. Your life changes. Your life changes. Woohoo! I mean, so blessed, so gifted. But I do not have time to waste when I tell you everything is orchestrated. And Ula and I tag team to just take care of Adrian, which we love and adore. But I have learned to do everything in half the time. So yes, this is what we're working with. I love this. Then I'm going to spritz my brush. I enjoy this part, it's so lovely. And then I'm going to go in with the highlighter by Danisa Myrix, and this is called Enlight. It's a beautiful rusty gold. It just works for this look. I'm going to take the lid, that's all I'm going to take, and that's a lot still. And I'm just going to brush it right across, right there. Yes, I can see it, it's giving me life. I'm just going to put some over here too. When you spritz your brush, it gives the highlighter much more intensity. Then I'm going to use my hand, just brush off the excess. I'm going to use this so I can really look at what I'm doing, and I'm just going to blend that puppy in, right in there. Do you see? Ooh, love it, love it. And I just put a little bit on the sides of my temple too. And this is a lovely brush. It's so soft and it just works. Put a little bit onto my nose right here. Yeah, I love that. So what lip do you guys think I should use for this? Okay guys, I am going to use a dark lip. So I'm going to use Dudu from Juvia's Place. And here we go. Dark lips are, yes, they're interesting. So you've got to take your time, okay? So start from the center. Yes. Yes. Alrighty. And you know me, I love that extra. So we're gonna put some MAC, and this is glass, it's just clear gloss, and this just gives it that extra. Use your finger and go over. Oh, is that not fabulous? We're going to have what? We're going to have the Morphe. This is the continuous mist setting spray. I love it so very much. And we're going to spritz. So that is it, darlings. So let's go into the next frame and I will let you know whether this palette is FDV approved or not. Okay? Alright. So, Ula, my darling?
Is it FDV approved?
It is absolutely FDV approved. I love it. I love it. Again, it is so budget friendly and it has so many colors in here. Again, it's got the compact mirror. So ColourPop has like a system that kind of works for them. Do not change it at all. Congratulations to Makeup Shayla. She has brought out a lovely combo of colors. She had all like the deep warm tones down here. She had a couple of cool ones. This blue is gorgeous. I will use this palette again, I'm sure, further down. I loved the shimmers. I loved the matte. They were pigmented enough on my very dark complexion for it to really pop off. You know, this is such a glamorous look when you're going out for Valentine's Day, you're going out for the evening and you really want to set that mood. There could be cookies and treats and dessert afterwards, and I'm not talking about what's on the menu. Yes, darlings, this works. It is absolutely FDV approved. It's a gorgeous palette. I really enjoyed it and I absolutely know that you guys will enjoy it too. Happy Valentine's Day, my loves. I send you so much love. I send you light. I send you laughter. I send you positivity. Go out into the evenings, into the day, receive your flowers, your chocolates, your cards, and as much as you receive, also give. I like to call my family and wish them a wonderful Valentine's Day because it's all about love, you know. So spread it out as far as you can because you want to receive it from as far as you can. And I hope to see you guys very, very soon. And we're going to come up yet with another episode. I'm going to be more diverse further down. I have a baby and I just want him to get to like 6-7 months where he can sit up on his own without any assistance and I can see him from the beeline. I might get a nanny, you know, I'm not too sure yet, but you know, there's a lot of change going on here. So please bear with me. But yeah, I'm coming in with the fitness again. I'm coming with a lot of baby stuff, lifestyle, as well as makeup tutorials, hair, and what is in my wardrobe, updated makeup collections, as well as my favorites. I'm going to come with that. Because I have Adrian, the schedule has to be tight and right. And I still want to keep you guys happy and satisfied. All of my love. Well, I wish them a happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day, my sweets, and I'll see you soon. Mwah, kisses.
Bye.
Bye.
I've been running around in circles for so long. I never really understood what I did wrong. Was trying hard to find a place where I belong. I lived an empty life, but had to carry on. I guess I really was giving up on love, and I tried to block those